How to add Apple Card to Experian. Follow the instructions. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple Card. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Card Information. Find and note your account number and other card details. Go to the Experian website and log into your account. Navigate to the section where you can review or update your credit report. Look for an option to add a missing account or dispute missing information. Enter your Apple Card details exactly as shown in your wallet. Submit any required documentation if prompted. Confirm and submit the request. Wait for Experian to review and update your credit report with the Apple Card information. Thank you for watching.